You know what? Jensen Huang from NVIDIA was in Vietnam.
Oh, wow.
And you know NVIDIA?
Yes.
What do they do?
It's a tech company that manufactures GPUs, right?
That's correct. They make GPUs and they're very important in the area of AI. And they're investing big into Vietnam, and today we're going to talk about it.
Yay.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
So you know how much money NVIDIA is worth?
I think a lot, but I don't know the specific number.
About $3.36 trillion. That's their
Trillion.
net capitalization. Trillion,
Wow.
not billion, not million, trillion dollars.
That's a
I
lot
don't
of
even
money.
know how to say that in Vietnamese dollars. That's a lot of zeros.
Yes.
Yeah. So the most valuable company today is Apple.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's why, we all have iPhones.
Yeah.
We make them the most valuable company.
And
But
MacBooks.
exactly, right? We have MacBooks, but NVIDIA is the second most valuable company in the world, and they want to invest big in Vietnam. So Jensen Huang, the CEO, was in Vietnam, and I think he met with the government, and they were going to put 2 AI research centers in Vietnam.
Whoa.
Yeah, and they only have 2 research centers in the world, one in the US, one in Taiwan, and now the 3rd center will be in Vietnam.
That's huge.
That's huge news for Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also Jensen Huang and NVIDIA bought a company from Vin Group.
Ooh, what is that?
It's VinBrain.
VinBrain.
VinBrain. So actually, I've seen this company's product, and it's actually very cool. So let's say if I go to the hospital, I do a scan, they have this AI solution that can actually read the scan and figure out if you have any problems. It's better than the human eye, it's better than doctors because it collects all the data from the VinMec hospitals. I don't know if that's the case, but it collects all the data and it trains the AI to be able to diagnose better than the human doctor.
Wow, so it's super cutting edge.
Super cutting edge.
Wow.
NVIDIA also bought that company from Mr. Wong.
Awesome.
And I think that's great news. They also collaborate with FPT. They invested $200 million into FPT to build AI. I believe factories to make products. And also as part of that deal, they also invest into education. They want to train more AI talent here in Vietnam. So NVIDIA's move into Vietnam is really good for Vietnam.
It is.
Yes, we're gonna have a lot more AI talent. It's going to transform us from a low-cost manufacturing economy to a very innovative, research-based economy.
Wow.
Yeah, I think that's good. That means your income's gonna rise.
It's
You're gonna
true.
make more money. Everybody's gonna make more money, right? And I think AI is excellent.
Yeah.
But is it gonna replace your job?
Possibly.
Yeah.
It's too expensive.
I don't need a translator. I can get AI assistant to do that.
Or like a robot.
Well,
A robot sitting next to you to translate for you.
oh, you need a robot. I need a robot.
Yeah.
Can you be my robot? But right now, you're still cheaper than a robot, so we'll still use you, okay? But the thing is, I don't think AI is gonna replace people because, you see, Miss V here, she used ChatGPT a lot. And
I do.
Because she's smart. Because AI is not here to replace people. AI is here to help people be more productive. So Miss V used ChatGPT to find answers to problems.
Yeah.
So that she can better assist me. And she can automate 20% of the boring stuff, right? She do a lot of boring stuff at work, like maybe translating my videos, but she can use AI to make that happen faster.
That's
so
true.
that she can do you do that?
Yeah, but
See,
sometimes
she's smart.
it's wrong, but so there
Yes.
still need to be human
Exactly.
intervention. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't get the human out of the equation.
It's true.
AI cannot replace human,
Yes.
but human will be replaced by other humans that use AI.
Yeah, makes
Sense, right?
Makes sense.
Yeah. So if you don't know anything about ChatGPT, OpenAI, you don't know anything about AI, now is the time to get into AI.
Yeah.
And Vietnam is going to be very big. We're going to be a very important country when it comes to AI as well.
That's exciting.
Yeah, and also this big move into Vietnam also signals something.
What is it?
I think that means the US love us. The USA, the Americans, they love us. Because if they're gonna invest this big amount of money and effort and energy and research into Vietnam, then that means the US is unlikely. Because I'm pretty sure Jensen Huang talked to somebody in the US government.
Yeah.
And it's unlikely for the US to punish us, in terms of tariff. They're not gonna tax us for our export, which is good. That means maybe Vietnamese export is safe. Not like China. China has big problems right now.
Yes.
And that's why they're all moving to Vietnam.
Yes.
So I think we're in a very exciting place. We're gonna be the manufacturing hub of the world, and we're gonna be the AI research center of the world,
Wow.
and maybe AI is gonna help our manufacturing.
Yes.
I think it's so exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, and USA love us.
Yes.
All right. Okay, take some fucking action. And what are you gonna do?
Look into NVIDIA and also VinBrain, okay?
And learn more about AI.
Yes.
Yeah, because that's gonna be an important skill.
It's true.
All right, very important skill in the future.
And don't be a fucktard.